Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Daniel, and today I am here with a full budget gaming PC build. Now, what I mean by full is that I've got the OS, the monitor, the keyboard, mouse, everything you need to start up this PC and get it up and running and playable on day one. A lot of people just make PC builds with the PC, but then you don't have a mouse, keyboard, whatever. These are just my opinions on, what monitor, mouse, OS, speakers, or whatever I would get at any given price range. So you may disagree, and that's fine because, mice, keyboards, monitors, those are mostly personal opinion. So yeah, this is just my opinion. Let's get into it. For the CPU, I own the Intel Pentium G3258 3.2 gigahertz dual-core processor. Right now, this is $69.96. I said 69, haha. The CPU cooler, it's the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo sleeve-bearing CPU cooler. This has a $5 mail-in rebate, making it $28.50. You could definitely overclock the Pentium with this cooler to, 4.2 gigahertz easily, which is awesome, and that'll give you a lot more performance. For the motherboard, I'm with the ASRock H81M HDS Micro ATX LGA 1150 motherboard. It's $50. Not the best motherboard in the world, but for this budget, it was the best option we had. For the memory, only the G-Skill Ripjaws X Series, 8GB, just 2 sticks of 4GB. DDR3, 1600 MHz memory, it's $80. My dog's going insane. Pretty good RAM overall. It's not the X Series, but it will definitely still get the job done. There is the ADATA XPG V2. Sometimes that's cheaper than this RAM if you want to go with that. If you do want to step up to the Ripjaws X Series, I don't think they're any different in performance at all, so if you like the looks of the X Series, I don't know, go with that. For the storage, I own the Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB, 7200 RPM internal hard drive. It's $55 right now. A good hard drive overall. You can always go with Seagate if you want to have more storage per dollar. Both companies are awesome. Not much more I can say. It's a hard drive. For the video card, I'm with the XFX Radeon R7 260X 2GB Core Edition video card. Dude, I swear to God, my dog, I'm gonna I don't even know. This has a $15 mail-in rebate right now, making it $110. Pretty good card overall. It'll get the job done in most games. If you're playing Battlefield 4, you could probably, play Battlefield 4 on high and get a solid 60 at 1080p, which is nice. So yeah, for the case, I own the Rosewool FBM02 Micro ATX Mini Tower case. Right now, it has an $8 off promo code, making it $21.99. Great case overall. I do like it a lot, being that, especially right now, it's cheaper than the Rosewool FBM01, which is its little brother, so not bad. For the power supply, on the Corsair Builder Series CX430, 430 watt, 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. Right now, this has a $20 mail-in rebate, making it $15.99, which is the cheapest it's been in quite a while, which is awesome. Not much more I can say here. Great value for this power supply. For the operating system, I went with Microsoft Windows 8.1, 64-bit, obviously. Right now, this has a $10 mail-in rebate, making it $90. Good OS overall. I know a lot of people don't like Windows 8 and Windows 8.1, but I don't really have a problem with it. That's just me. If you want to buy Windows 7, buy Windows 7. That's not my decision to make. For the monitor, I went with the BenQ GW 2255 60Hz 21.5-inch monitor. This is $110. Pretty good budget monitor, I would say. 60 Hz. I think it's a TN panel. Well, it's 99% sure it's a TN panel. It's $110. But good monitor overall. For the keyboard, I went with the Logitech G120, or K120, I should say. Wired standard keyboard. It's $7.87. Nothing too special about this. It's just your standard run-of-the-mill membrane keyboard from Logitech. Same with the mouse. The mouse is the Logitech M100 wired optical mouse. It's $8. It's just a wired optical mouse, run-of-the-mill mouse. Not much more I could say. For the speakers, I own the Logitech Z313 25 watt 2.1 channel speakers. This is $35. My brother actually owns a pair of these, and they're alright. I own the Logitech Z623s, which have 4-inch mid drivers, 2 1-inch tweeters, and an 8-inch sub. And those are really nice. The Z313s, for a budget option, being that they're $35, are really not bad. These speakers are good. There's the Logitech Z323s if you want to go with those. Not much more I could say. Like this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new here. I post content every 3 days. Thanks for watching, and peace.